Hi dear students, the lecture number 6 and the theme of our lecture, data analysis and data management. Plan of our lecture. In our lecture we have some information about Microsoft Excel and all of the information about worksheets and works. First, introducing Excel and navigating a worksheet and entering text numbers and data in cells, entering a formula and the common text functions. Introducing Excel. Microsoft Office Excel is a computer program used to enter, analyze, and present quantitative data. A spreadsheet is a collection of text and numbers laid out in rectangular grid, often used in business for budgeting, inventory management, and decision making. What-if analysis lets you change one or more values in a spreadsheet and then access the effects those changes have on the calculated values. Navigating a worksheet. In this figure, we can see the navigation in a worksheet. Excel provides several ways to navigate a worksheet. Excel navigation keys. Here you can see more keys for navigation for do your works. Up, down, left or right on one cell to move active cell. If you press the home to column A of the current row, if you press the Ctrl Home, then you move to cell A1. If you press Ctrl Enter, to the last cell in the worksheet that contains date. If you press Enter, down a row or the start of the next row of date. If you press Shift Enter, up one row. And if you press Tab, you move the active cell one column to the right. If you press Shift Tab, one column to the left. If you press Page Up, Page Down, up or down one screen. And the next one, if you press the Control Page Up, Control Page Down, then you make to the previous or next sheet in the workbook. Entering text, numbers and dates in cells. The formula bar displays the content of the active cell. Text date is a combination of letters, numbers and some symbols. Number date is any numerical value that can be used in a mathematical calculation. Date and time date are commonly recognized formats for date and time values. Entering a formula. Here I want to talk about how you entering a formula in Excel. A formula is an expression that returns a value. A formula is written using operators that combine different values, returning a single value that is then displayed in the cell. The most commonly used operators are arithmetic operators. The order or precedence is a set of predefined rules used to determine the sequence in which operators are applied in a calculation, a spreadsheet or a database application. Here you can see the combination of a spreadsheet and a database application. If you use a database management systems for large amounts of data, multiple tables of related information, and complex querying. And next one, if you use a spreadsheet for small to medium amounts of data and from 1 to 3 tables of related information. And the last one, simple sorting, filtering, and subtotaling. Often, analysts use both tools to solve a problem, keeping track of data in a database application and copying the relevant information for further analysis in Excel. The date. In this table, you can see the dates about the information and they demonstrate many of the date manipulation features of Excel. Consider the following date table listing a variety of snack products. If you have some products, you can do this work. Common text functions. In Excel have some text functions. Syntaxes and description. The syntax left its mean returns the number of characters specified starting from the beginning of the text string. On the right, it returns the number of characters specified starting from an end of the text string. The syntax mid, it returns a specific number of characters from a text string starting at the position of your specifier. The syntax concatenate, it joins up to 255 text string into one text string. And the syntax trim, it removes all space from text except for single space between words. The syntax value, it converts the text string that represents a number to a number. And the syntax text, its function converts a numeric value to text. And the syntax len, it returns the number of characters in a text string. And the syntax upper or lower, it converts text to uppercase, lowercase. And the last one, syntax find, its find locates one text string within a second text string. In Excel, have the main term is a copying and there is copying. Copy, leave it up to Office to decide. Copy as a picture or as text, retains none of the original features. Embed copies objects such as Excel, charts, worksheets in its original source application format. If you double-click on the object, it allows you to edit the object using the Excel features. And the syntax link, it dynamically links to an object in the source document. So it can be modified independent of the original object. And also we have Excel date capabilities. As a database for limited amounts of info, its multiple sorts, filters, advanced filters, concept details, pivot tables, importing, and other features using Excel date analysis tools, text functions to manipulate date, and macros to automate repeated reduces. Instructions for an Excel tutorial exercise. In laboratory work, you must do more works, more exercises in Excel. So here you can see all of the tables in Excel. Follow the detailed, if boring, instructions to create an Excel worksheet to analyze and plot a sample data set and prepare a symbol report. Here we can see all of the titles of Spreadsheet, cell reference, menu bar, workbook name, title bar, and also etc. And I think the Microsoft Excel is understand for you. So I will give you the control questions. What's the range? How we can edit a cell? Formula in Excel? What's the absolute cell addressing? What's the relative cell addressing? And you must answer for these questions. And also you must do this text number 6. So goodbye.